one's engaged, then the Alphaprints books are a great option. Learning with a tactile experience for your child is going to keep them touching as they're learning. Remember, the more senses, the more they retain. Let me tell you a little more about this one.
So from the very beginning, your child will be able to enjoy the front cover, the same trending pattern inside, which are fingerprints. This is something you can show your child. You have fingerprints too. Each page highlights a letter using an uppercase letter and then a word with the same beginning sound. Then below there's a short statement describing something that your child can touch and feel in the picture. And something that's so fun about this book is the illustrations are actually made of things that are not normally found on an animal. So pay close attention to that. And in addition to a lot of familiar animals that your child will see in this book, there might be some they're not so familiar with, like a yak. And this book is going to be great for letter recognition, connecting letters to beginning sounds, also helping develop early reading skills.
Great for toddlers and preschoolers, but also kindergartners and early readers may still like to touch and feel. It's available at Amazon, bookstores, at Priddy, Priddy Books.com. Happy reading!
You can teach your child.